Hello everyone, this is Aditya Pirzavati. In this video, I am going to talk about a very relevant topic, that is the confidence building while learning this language, because there will be so many beginners. They will be facing many difficulties. They are fear. They are afraid while speaking. They are hesitating while speaking. They don't have the confidence. They are just losing their hope while learning. Okay, so watch this video if you want to resolve your problems, because I also can relate this problem, because when I started learning this language when I was a beginner, I also used to face many difficulties in starting. I also have gone through this process. This is just a process, guys. If you will pass this process, you will be able to learn this language very soon. This is just a language, guys. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, before going to the video, I want to give my little bit introduction. My name is Aditya, and I come from village area. A small village of Uttar Pradesh, which is called Kutubpur, and I have completed my graduation in BA, and I also completed my all education in Hindi medium background. So even if I am able to speak good English, because I just followed some tips and techniques that I practiced a lot in my learning days. So because of this reason, I am here. I am able to speak enough. Okay, and I have been improving this language since a year, and I am improving now too, because learning never ends. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, how to build confidence. This is our video's title, and this is very relevant topic. Everybody is losing their hope in starting, and when I started, I also used to feel very low when I tried to learn this language. When I used to try to speak in front of the guys, I used to feel very afraid, fear of speaking, because they will definitely make fun of you, because we don't have enough knowledge. We cannot speak very good English in starting. Because of this reason, we are afraid while speaking. So how to resolve this issue, how to speak, how to build the confidence. This is the main point of view. This is the main idea of this video, guys. How to build confidence is very important, guys, because without confidence you will not be able to speak in front of your friends, in front of anyone, because confidence is needed. Little bit confidence is really essential for every English learner. So guys, how I built the confidence, I can talk about it, because I also used to face these problems, and I build the confidence while speaking. I used to how I did actually, guys, in starting, what I used to do is I used to practice very much at home, when there is no one in my family, there is no one who can make fun of you. So I just try to speak alone. I just try to record myself in front of my mobile phone camera. Okay, so I just used to record before going to talk in front of my friends. I just used to practice very much at home, so that I will be able to think the sentences that I have practiced before, and I have to use now. Okay, so this is very helpful for raising your confidence level, guys. You just have to, आपको क्या करना है? Firstly, आपको घर में इतनी ज़्यादा practice करनी है. So guys, you just have to do it, that you have to practice before going to talk in front of public. मतलब लोगों के सामने बात करने से पहले आपको इतनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस घर पे करनी है, जैसे कि आपने कुछ सेंटेंसेस लर्न करे. लाइक यू हैव लर्न some sentences that you have to use in your everyday life. तो आपने कुछ sentences learn करे, और आपको क्या करना है, आपको उन sentences को इतना ज़्यादा use कर लेना है पहले घर पे alone, कि कोई वहाँ पर मजाक ना उड़ा सके. There is no one who can make fun of you, so you just have to practice it at home. you can talk to yourself, you can talk to yourself in front of the mirror. So this is a very helpful technique you have to use before going to the before going to outside for conversation. बाहर कन्वर्सेशन करने से पहले आपको इतना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर लेना सो दैट यू हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस. आप कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से कि आप बहुत सारा लर्न कर चुके हैं और आपको बस अब जाके उन जो लर्निंग सेंटेंस जो आपने सेंटेंसेस लर्न करें, वो कैप्स लर्न करें, उनको आपको यूज करना है. ओके तो आप लर्न कर चुके हैं बहुत सारा. ओके और अब आपको बाहर जाना है अपने दोस्तों के साथ में. वो जो लर्न किया हुआ है, यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स guys, and you will be able to speak. If you are forgetting something, आप भूल गए हैं, आप भूल रहे हैं बहुत सारी सेंटेंसेस, तो आप एक बार जाकर फिर से देख सकते हैं उन सेंटेंसेस को. ओके आप गलतियां करेंगे, यू विल डेफिनेटली बी मेकिंग many faults, many mistakes in starting, but if you are going through this process again and again, if you are practicing it every day, every hour, so it will be in your tongue and it will be very easy to speak, guys. And in starting you will be thinking that we are translating from Hindi to English. We are needed to translate in Hindi. Hindi to English. Without translating, we are unable to speak, guys. When I started, I also used to translate but now, guys, I am not translating. It is coming to, it is already coming to my mind because I have practiced it a lot. Because of this reason, the sentences, the vocabs, the phrases are already have memorized in my mind. It is coming automatically, guys. You have to practice it for with the consistency for 2 to 3 months, and after that it will be very easy to speak. You don't need to translate, guys. This is a fact and this is reality, guys. Okay, so you have to do it whatever I have told for building the confidence directly. If you are having enough courage to speak in front of your friends and they are making fun of you, and if you don't matter the fun that they are making you that they are making, if you don't matter it, so you can speak from your single day. It is very helpful. Just start speaking. This main theme of this video is start speaking. Okay, find it very helpful. If you find it, please like and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very close to you, and so that they can learn English. Okay, and I come from village area, so you can if you are coming from village area, so you can subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading these kinds of content so that it can be very helpful for every English learner who just started learning this language. Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.